Alright, so here I have my factory fuel pump. As you can see, so like this is how it looks from the factory. So we are going to be installing a quantum fuel system. So this is pretty much a 525, pretty much a Hellcat fuel pump. If you see right there, quantum fuel system, high flow fuel.com, that's the website. QFS525FT. This is their 525 pump. It's the same as the Hellcat. This pump was $100. It came with the pretty much everything to install it on the car. So pretty much we're going to be adapting that right here. And I also have a Russell. This is a 516 to -6 AN fitting. It's gonna go right in here. And then I have a Fragola 1/4 hardline 2-6, and I have a adapter. This adapter is from -6 to -8, and that one is gonna go on this fitting because I'll be running -8 all the way from the front to the from the back to the front. So, and also I have this little adapter right here, and this adapter is for the passing the wiring on the fuel pump. So I'm gonna take you guys step by step how I'm going to set up this fuel pump on that Honda sending unit. All right, first things first. So I had to take the old fuel pump out of the sending unit. So pretty much, if you see right there, it has a little clip. You can use a pocket screwdriver, your nails or whatever, and just press down, pop it back up. And then you have that clamp right there. You grab a pair of vice grips or pliers or whatever, press it, and then just wiggle that clamp all the way halfway. And after that, just grab the pump and twist. It should come out kind of easy, but if it doesn't come out kind of easy, you're gonna have to grab a flathead screwdriver and just pry it right here on the side until it's loose. This pump has been here for probably over 20-something years. Race car. Oh, I'm talking about a burp tune. I think it has a massive burp tune right there. So just spin it if it wants to come out. It's coming out little by little. There you go. So just like that, the pump comes right out. Alright, next thing, I'll be removing the wiring harness from this pump because I'll be using the one from the pump. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and just twist this one right here. Just like that, we got it out. Now remove this clip out of here. Remove this side of the harness, and then see this right here. We have to remove that just because we're gonna put this adapter right here on top, and then the harness is gonna go through that hole right there. You're freaking kidding me. I tried to remove it nice, it doesn't want to come out nice, so I have to break it. Once again, fit the screwdriver, just put on that bolt and just remove it off. And then just like that, you remove the whole harness. So now let me remove the this rubber seal. Remove that out of the way. Now I'm gonna remove this hose. I'm gonna double check. I might end up using the one from the kit, but I don't know, who'll see. And just like that, we just removed it. So nothing left I have to do is remove this. So we are going to be drilling out that right there. We had to drill that out, and then once I drill that out, this piece should come out, and then I'll have to do the hole bigger so I can install. I think this is like a 1/2 inch. I don't know, right here. So you see that? So I have to drill a hole big enough so I can fit that through. So I'm pretty sure this is like a 1/2 inch. So there we go, got it off. Once you drill this out, it should come out easy. So do that there, and then I have to drill that hole out to 1/2 inch. All right, so I got the hole drilled out, and I installed my I forgot what is the name of this, but this is to pass the harness through here. So I'm getting ready now to install the pump. So I got it the pin already. So pretty much I'm gonna install it through here, and then I'm gonna run both of the wires up here. So here I have the pump already mounted. I use the hose supplied on the kit. So I put it on top of the on the outlet for the pump, feeding through this line, fitting through that line right there with another hose clamp right here. Also I put a hose clamp right here just because this pump is not made for exactly the it's not made exactly for the Honda sending unit, and I also use the factory Honda SAC fuel filter or sock or whatever, just because this other one, if you put it on, see, this one reaches all the way to the back right here, and then this one's short, and probably even though the car is not empty all the way, I'm probably gonna end up running out of fuel if I use this one. So I use a factory one back on the car. So I ran the harness through here, put a zip tie right here holding the connector in place, and then I ran the wires through the this connector right here, and then I have both of the wires right there. These are gonna go to the relay. So here's the fitting 516 to -6, and then converted to -8. So pretty much is what I'll be doing right here. This is gonna go on this right here. I'm just gonna clip just like that. All right, so this fitting, you just open it right here, unscrew it, and it comes with a sleeve. This sleeve, you're gonna have to cut this bead right here. You're gonna have to cut it off, and then you're gonna slide this. You're gonna slide this on that pipe. So let me go ahead and cut it real quick, and then I'm gonna slide it real quick. All right, so I'm gonna already cut that off. So I'm going to install that fitting right there. That sleeve, I'm going to install it on that pipe. Just like that, it went in. This one, you go ahead and install it right there. And as soon as you start tightening this down, it's gonna crush that sleeve inside, and then whenever you feel that it's tight, it doesn't go no more, you don't have to put a crazy amount of force on it, just because it doesn't take that much to get tight. So but whenever you feel it tight enough, this should be good. You shouldn't have no leaks. So just like that, make sure it's nice and tight, and it's not loose at all. You can I don't doubt you guys can see it, but yeah, this is the sender unit already all done. I had to zip tie here because I had to connect this. I had to put this little blue connector back, blue clip back on it, just because if you leave it off, the harness can come off. So I had to zip tie that back on it. But yeah, this is it. This is a Quantum fuel pump, 525 fuel pump installed on a Honda sending unit, Honda Civic, 99 Honda Civic sending unit. So I'm over here inside the car. I already removed the seat out of it, so I'm getting ready to install the pump. So I have the pump right here. So this pump just slides in. Let me see if it goes in, because it has a bigger pump on it. So the fuel pump, So the fuel pump is back in the tank right now. I did the lines already. Put a 90 right here, feed, and then this is a 45 right there. Right, see, it's all dark. So now I'm gonna leave this as is right now. As soon as I am ready to do the to install the relay, because I have to put a relay here. If not, the factory harness is gonna get burnt. So as soon as I'm going to do that relay, I just come back again over here and get that done. So for now, that's done. The relay and the harness, I'll do all that stuff another day. So up next, I don't even know what is up next. Got so much stuff going on that I gotta get done. So alrighty guys, so the whole fuel system is already done in the car. You guys seen how I installed the pump on the back, how I did all the fuel lines over here in the front, so, and all the fuel lines underneath. So that's how I end up doing the fuel system on this car. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys are going to do the same setup and buy the same lines, and you don't know which lines to get, just send me a message on Instagram, or Facebook, or even YouTube, and I will reply to you where I got it from with the same exact part numbers and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.